Hey Salvador, this is Jackie Outwell with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly on the phone earlier this evening about me shooting this little video over to you. So basically what I do is I kind of break down the internet for people. It's pretty daunting and people seem to lose sight of how amazing of a tool it can be. But there's so many other factors off the trenches. I'm going to try to break those down for you. So first thing I do is I went ahead and I Googled HVAC companies in Dallas, Texas. This top section right here is the ad section. As you can see, it says sponsored, meaning these people are paying for ads. As well as these, this begins the Google Map Packs. If you're not part of that, we would go ahead and add you to that because, of course, you'd want to be on there. I know that you're in Mesquite, but figured we'd venture out to Dallas to see what the big competition is. This begins the organic section, which is where the actual ranking begins. So this #1 site right here, Baker Brother Plumbing, that's who we are going to compare your website to throughout the duration of this video. That being said, I went ahead and I pulled up their website. The first topic that we're going to cover is going to be content. Content is any verbiage or wording throughout your website. Specifically in this video, we're going to focus on the home page. So I'm going to go ahead and grab all of this content and I am going to place it into my word counter, see where we're at. They have about 1,700 words of content on their homepage. Let's see what you have. Do the same. So you have about 2,000 words, which is actually pretty good in all honesty. Google recommends having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. Reason being, this provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for us to sneak in those buyer intent keywords that are going to generate more traffic and revenue to your online domain. Just because this has 2,000 words of content doesn't mean that it is all buyer intent content, so that's what we want to look at next. So what I do next is I go ahead and grab these sites and I put it into an online tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially an online website auditor. Right off the bat, you can see how much traffic value this website has in comparison to yours. So that definitely means that there's room for improvement, which is definitely attainable. So let's go ahead and take a look at these keywords. Right off the bat, I see air conditioning service, heating service near me. We don't really want keywords like this, although they have a high search volume. They're nationwide keywords. What this means is someone in Oregon could essentially Google this and it might bring up this website. That's not the kind of traffic that we're looking for. Is that going to generate us more money? Probably not. Unless you plan on hopping on a plane and flying to Oregon, that's not the kind of keyword and traffic that we want to generate. These with locations attached, air conditioning repair Dallas, HVAC repair Dallas, AC repair Dallas. Those are the kind of keywords that we're looking for. Those are the kind people are searching in this area, Googling this to bring up companies because they need that service and are looking to pay for it. So that's the kind of traffic we want to generate. Let's go ahead and look at yours. You have AC repair Irving, AC repair Wiley, AC repair Rowlett, Nova Air Conditioning, AC repair. There are just so many more surrounding towns that we could capture in different verbiage by doing some keyword research in that, and we could pull that traffic in for you. That leads us to our third topic that I'm going to touch on, which are backlinks. So basically what a backlink is, it is the number of places on the internet where this website is linked. So not all backlinks are created equal. This could be some very, very, very powerful sites judging by the traffic value. That means that somewhere on the internet this website is linked 84 times. As mentioned, yours is 242. But as I said, not all backlinks are created equal. This means that they have some very high-powered backlinks. So what we do is we go and find those high-powered backlinks and we would add you to them as well, which would put us on an even playing field, and then we would go ahead and keep doing that month after month after month and adding to those and get you some really high-powered backlinks to start climbing that rank on Google. Anyway, Salvador, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Feel free to incorporate these yourself onto your website or reach out to me for more information. All my contact info is going to be linked within this email, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great night.